Yeah, hello guys, good morning. Yeah, this is my voice. Um, so this project we have in front of us here, converting this unique piece we are seeing on the screen into a modular asset. Now, I already created this earlier this year. I want to start doing more buildings. So I said, okay, let's convert everything to modular pieces. We can reuse those assets and save time in the future when we are creating more buildings. Um, so I already began doing that initially, like I've got these windows and some doors. Doors have also been rigged and animated, so you can do some simple animations like opening and closing, but we're not going to that yet. We are just focusing on turning the rest of the building into modular parts so that we can actually yeah, make some pretty interesting stuff with them. But yeah, so we'll start with the main frame of the buildings, then from there we're going to go over to placing modular parts for the stairs, the railings, um, and hopefully once you're done, we're going to go into texturing, creating some unique modular textures for the building so you can actually have something interesting which is how you can actually test inside the building. Okay, well, that brings us to the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, one last thing. The video is going to be very raw, very, very raw. I didn't really cut much, so you're going to see my entire process, iterations, and everything.